Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be attempting the PSAT October 2018 Real Test No Calculator section. So let's get started. Number 1. What value of x satisfies the equation above? So 51 is equal to 7 plus 2x. We're going to take 7 to the other side. So that's 51 minus 7. That'll give us 2x is equal to 44. So that means x is equal to 44 divided by 2, which is 22. So our answer is D. Okay, number 2. Number of large boxes. So A is the number of small boxes, and B is the number of large boxes. So that means it's asking 3 small boxes. So that means 3 times 3 plus 4B is equal to 25. 9 plus 4B is equal to 25. 4B is equal to 25 minus 9. So that means that 4B is equal to 16. So B is equal to 4. So our answer is B. Number 3. City's minimum hourly wage was 9.25. That means that's the y-intercept. And it will increase by 0.50 on the first day for the next 5 years. So that means 9.25 plus 0.5x. So that means C is the answer. And that's because the slope is written like that with 9.25 as the y-intercept. The equation above, F represents total number x and y. So we're asked what 7 is. So because y is the amount of salads, that means that 7 is the price for one salad. So our answer is B. Okay, number 5. So diversity is greatest. Greatest point is all the way up here. And we see that that is 1,250, comma, about like 13,500. Let's just say that. Well, because it asks closest to the elevation is the x. So that means we're looking at the x point. So that means that 1,250 is our answer. So that means C is the answer. All right, number 6, which is the following system has the system equations graphed above. So this is the point of intersection. We just need that, and that is an x-intercept. So that means that y is 0, and 1/2 is 3 over 2. So that means x is equal to 3 over 2 and y is equal to 0. That's what A shows, so A is the answer. All right, number 7. F of x is equal to x squared. So G is shifted 4 units upward. That means that it's positive 4, plus 4. But that means we're given A and C. But because this is x squared and not just x, that means A won't be the answer. So C is our answer because it's x squared. So f of x is on its own, and it's shifting 4 units upward. Number 8, the xy plane above 2 lines intersect at the origin. Which of the following pairs of equations could represent these lines? So they are positive slopes because they are going from the third quadrant to the first quadrant. And they have the same y-intercept, which is 0, 0. So no y-intercept, really. They're both positive. So that means A is the answer because it has a positive slope and no y-intercept. Well, it does have a y-intercept, just we don't write it out. Okay, next question. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So 3x squared minus x squared gives us 2x squared. Now 4x minus 2x, because of the negative, is equal to plus 2x. And minus 2 minus negative 1 should give us minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1. So our answer is A. So number 10, which of the following expressions is equivalent to the sum r cubed plus 5r squared plus 7? Okay, so it's asking sum. So r cubed is on its own. And then we have plus 5r squared plus r squared is 6r squared. And plus 8r. And 12 plus 7 is plus 19. So that means D is our answer. Okay, number 11, according to Moore's law, transitors. So it doubles every 2 years. And so this in 1985, it's this much. So we have to make sure this changes into this. So if we do 2,7,500 doubled, that should give us 550,000. So if we doubled that, we get, if we double that, we should get 1,100,000. So that's what it shows here. That means we're adding 4 years. So 1985 plus 4 years this gives us 1989. So that means B is our answer. Okay. Number 12, for the quadratic function f, the table above gives some values of x. So we're just substituting values here. So this is x and this is y. So if we take 2 and 7, 2 minus 3 minus 1, that's not 7. Nope. A is not the answer. We take B, 2 minus 3 minus 1 squared, 1 plus 9, 10. Y is not 10, so B is not the answer either. Take the next one. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 squared 1. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So it's not that either. Next one, 2 minus 3, 1. Negative 1 squared 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. So that means D is our answer. Okay, 13. What is the smallest value of x that satisfies the equation above? Alright, so we're gonna first do this part. So 3 times x squared minus 5 squared is plus 25, and 2ab is minus 10x plus 11 is equal to 59. So 3x squared plus 75 minus 30x plus 11 is equal to 59. So that means 3x squared minus 30x is, so plus 86 is equal to 59. That means that 3x squared minus 30x, we can take 86 to the other side. That'll give us negative 27. So now we can just substitute these values into this equation. We take the first one, 9 squared 81. No, definitely not that, because it's too long and our answer is short. We take 7, that's also too long. We take 5 squared 25, 75 minus 150, that will not give us negative 27. We take 1 squared 1, 3 minus 30 is minus 27. So yes, that means D is our smallest value. Okay, number 14. If one solution to the system equation above is x, y, what is one possible value of x? So we can find two numbers that add to 17, that's 72. So if we take factors 12 and 5, 12 times 5 is 16. Nope. We can take 8 and 9, and 8 times 9 is also equal to 72. 8 plus 9 is 17. So 8 and 9 work. So x can be either 8 or x can be equal to 9. It can be one of those. Both of them are correct. So that's our answer. Next question, if this is, what is the value of 6x? So we're gonna remember this. What is the value of 6x? So 3x plus 3x is equal to 6x. So 6x by 6 equal to 24. So then 6x is equal to 24 by 6, which is 4. So x is equal to, oh, wait. We're not solving for x, only 6x. So that means our answer is 4. Okay, 16, according to model, the head millimeters of a worker bone can be estimated by adding 0.6 plus 4 times the body weight. So that's our expression. And now the body weight is 0.5 grams. So that means 0.6 plus 4 times 0.5 is half. So 0.6 plus 2, that means 2.6 is our answer. Okay, last question. If the area of ABC is at least 48 and no more than... okay, so we're going to use this as a ratio to find x. So we have 5 to x and this entire one, 12 to y. So 5 by x is equal to 12 over y. Next, another thing we know is that y is an integer. And if we add this, our base is 12. So that means that 48 is less than or equal to half. So an area of a triangle, half times base is 12. And now we have times half times 12 times, oh yeah, times y, because we don't know our y value yet. So then that is less than or equal to 60, because it says no more than 60 and at least 48. So now we simplify this. 48 is less than or equal to 6y less than or equal to 60. Now we can divide all this by 6. We're going to get 8 is less than or equal to y less than or equal to 10. Okay, so that means that our answer options for y would be equal to 8, 9, or 10. So those are our options. But because we must find an x value, we can use any one of these. There are multiple answers for this. So now I can put that in this ratio. So 5 by x is equal to 12 times, let's just take 8. So that means 12x is equal to 40. And x is equal to 40 by 12, which is 20 by 6, which is 10 by 3. 10 by 3 is also equal to 3 1/3. That's all we have so far, so that's our answer. We cannot further simplify this. There are more answers to this. It depends if you use 9 or 10, but my answer is 3 1/3, so you can also get them for 9 and 10. So I hope this video helped you guys, and please consider to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.